Hey guys, just fooling around today working on Beaker's ESP32 web server. If you're not familiar with the project, it's on it's on actually one of the oldest versions of the Fundboard that I have. It's a V1 of the Fundboard, and it looks kind of like this. I'm just doing a refresh right now. It's reloading that page. So it's a V1 Fundboard. It's running MicroPython. It's serving everything right from the ESP32. There's an SD card on there that has the images and that sort of stuff on there. It's been running since 2001. And then the main thing that it does is just exist. And you can sign in and log your visit to Beaker's web server. I did make some updates on it. A couple of big ones. It's been needing some updates. The pages haven't been loading that well, and so sometimes they get messed up, and like this loads as an index.html, and then it calls the app part of it and gets these tables and counts and stuff like that. So there were sometimes these tables wouldn't load, and so I fixed that. But another big thing that I did, and it's all on GitLab here on my YouTube projects under microserver, but I removed all the Fundboard libraries. So I'm still using a Fundboard, but I just went back to straight MicroPython libraries. So everything you need is right in there. There's the Wi-Fi, the SD card, NeoPixels, all that different stuff, and then this is the actual microserver software. And then you kind of, like in main, I'm just let's see right here, I redefine the microserver functions and add the application server to do all the special stuff. But anyway, so that's all there for you if you want to fool around with it. So that was a big thing. Removed all the Fundboard libraries out of there, so everybody can use it. The other thing I did was add this column over here. Well, I did add some colors so it looks a little nicer. And then I added this column so that Beaker can put in his comments when he feels like it. So, and the way that I did that was I actually created a little online editor that I can sign in. I can sign into it because I have the password. But it's right here. And so what I can do, let's say we want to change something in here or make a response. Like here's one that I put in here, line 60 or visitor number 60 or whatever that means. I can put that in here. You can see I've already been fooling around with it and ask it to find it. So now it's found it, and I can add a snidey comment like, who cares? And it takes it a minute to it actually has to read the CSV file twice, so it makes a copy of it and then it reads it again and looks for that line that needs to be updated. Okay, and then we get the status right here that it is saved. And so if we go back over here and refresh, then yeah, there it is. Okay, so that way Beaker can add his comments in here, and yeah, just makes it a little more interactive, a little more fun. So anyway, that's about it. Sign in if you want, use the code if you want. That's why I make it. So that's about it.